And another insight that really drove this home is this case study from this VSL queen. So VSL queen, they essentially started by building video sales letter. A video sales letter, for those who don't know, it's essentially you click an ad, you go on the landing page, and then there is a video that essentially tells you about the offer, tells you about who they are, tells you about how they help you, and gets you to essentially take action and book a sales call and get you to show up. They started doing this for high ticket online service businesses. Think of agency owners, high ticket coaching offers, consulting, info products. But in this video, when you listen to it, because I highly recommend you check it out, Cole asked them, hey, what did you guys do to go from 500K to $1 million a month? Or, asked a little bit about, actually, I'll share a little bit of insights as to from 0 to 100K, from 100K to $500,000 a month, and then $500,000 a month to $1 million a month and beyond. To the first 100K per month, all they did is just started running ads. They said, hey, we want to help you create a VSL. We figure out a mechanism where we put a lady in front of the ad, and they're essentially helping them with creatives, and I believe even record the VSL. I'm not sure. And all they did is start spending $50 a day on ads. And this started getting them, I believe, 2 sales calls a day. They were running messenger ads. So nothing crazy. This got them to their first 100K per month. But to get to their first $500,000 a month, which is really interesting, is majority of all their clients are not online service businesses. They're not agencies. They're not info products. They're not coaching businesses. They're law firms. They're home services. They're lead aggregators. So the companies that buy a bunch of leads and then resell them to companies like insurance, lending companies, because they buy all these leads from vendors like NG, Thumbtack, all that good stuff. So they aggregate a bunch of leads, and what they provide to these companies is essentially the same thing: creative variants. They give them a lot of creatives, find the better hooks, find the angles that work better, that these companies don't have the skill nor the bandwidth to figure it out on their own. They have a lot of money, but they don't necessarily have the skills of, being an online marketer where you're just testing everything all day long. Insurance is another niche that they're also serving that's killing it for them. And then to get to $1 million a month, all they did is just added rev share to these companies and just increased their monthly retainer. That's it. So they doubled down on the 10% that brings in the most amount of money for them, increase how much money they charge every month, and also added rev share to it. So the path to scaling a service business where you're using human labor to make money is you go up market, charge more money, focus on the customers that bring you the most amount of money, that are the easier to serve, and just do more for them.